sauce. I like sauce. Mommy. No.
What's good, loyal gang? Hey, we back in this thing with another video. So today, Lily already trying to eat. What we gotta do? We gotta do an intro. Let them know what we eating. What we eating today? We eating tacos?
Yeah.
Yeah, we eat Dorito tacos. And Lily has a quesadilla. She has a cheese quesadilla with her. What is that? White Cheeto puffs? Is that what it is?
Yeah.
Yeah, and with some sour cream for you to dip it.
Sauce.
Oh yeah, and then we got some cheese sauce. We want to dip it inside the cheese sauce. You know, we got our little cheese sauce that we always dip it in. You know, burp. Ooh. Good. Napkin. There's a napkin right there. Oh my god. I love some Dorito tacos. It's so good, ain't it? So good. Thumbs up. Had to put some cheese on it. Let me wipe your mouth off. There you go.
You want
to dip it?
water.
You need some water?
Yes.
There you go. Go ahead and get some water. Wash that down real quick. Sometimes you gotta wash it down because all that seasoning. Oh my gosh. Oh, my taco breaking. That's good? That's good, y'all.
Sauce. I like sauce.
You like sauce? Oh, yeah. That sour cream good? Oh, you know what? I got some Oreos, too.
I got sauce. I got sauce. I got cinnamon. What's what? And I need cinnamon. Got sauce. I got cinnamon. Now you like that?
I love it.
Mommy. No.
Sarah?
What not?
Am I wanting?
This one?
Mm-hmm.
It's yours?
Mm-hmm.
I'm your money. My cookie.
A cookie?
Yeah, I like cookie.
You like cookies?
Yes.
Like Oreo? Oh, you like to pull them apart?
I like the parts. I like cookie. Mine. Cookie. Good.
Huh?
I saw cookie.
It's good?
I go. And then I find one. Cookies.
My things are falling apart. They're breaking apart. Oh, I see what you do. You pull it apart and then you eat the cream filling inside?
Yeah. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Oh.
Okay.
Mm-hmm. You show me your cookie? It's yummy? You ate all the filling off of it. That's your cookie dance? Hmm? Mm. Mm. Yeah. That's not who? Can I have a cookie? I can have a cookie? Well, you ate all the filling off of it. Yeah, I want one with some filling on it. Mmm. Is it Cheeto?
No, señor.
No Cheeto?
A bottle.
I want a cookie. You just bypassing what I'm talking about. I can't get a cookie? The reason why I act like I didn't say I want a cookie. Okay.
And the sauce.
Yeah, I remember that.